To copy a website from Figma to Framer, you'll need to use this Figma plugin. I will leave the link to it in the video description. Okay, I have a project opened here on Figma, and if I want to import it, all I have to do is click on the element or page I need. Then, I can go to the Figma menu to choose the Framer plugin. Once the plugin activates, you only need to click on this copy button, and then it will copy all the layers from the selected frame. You can then go back to Framer and create a new project for your design. And then you only need to paste the Figma content with Ctrl+V on your keyboard, which will be done in seconds. And within a few moments, Framer will receive all the copied content from Figma. Here, you may notice that the content doesn't fill the canvas, but if you double-check on Figma, you can see that the frame size is different here. So, I can click on the canvas on Framer and increase the size to the one on Figma, which will make the content fit the canvas. And now, you can edit this website and add cool effects on it as you'll do on any Framer project. For example, you can change these text and replace all these dummy content and images with your own information. You can even use the Framer AI to generate content for you. And the Framer AI works surprisingly better than any other tool. Next, let's say that you want to change the images. To do that, you only need to click on any image that you want to change. Next, on the right side, you'll see the attributes of this image element. When you scroll down, you'll see this image option. When you click on it, it will give you two options to add your image. You can either add an image from your computer, or you can add a stock image too. You only need to search for the image you want, and then you'll get suggestions. Now, select the image that you want to add, and then confirm. That's how easy it is to design a website with Framer. The attributes of each element will appear on the right side, so feel free to play around with these options to find the right design for your page. And if you don't know how to use Framer, then I have created a detailed step-by-step tutorial that you can access by clicking on this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.